So this is something I've been working on for a while. This is a poem about a cat. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, let's start. In shadows cast, a feline grace, with eyes that gleam, a silent chase, whiskers twitch, in moonlight's glow, a nimble hunter, on the prowl they go. Paws that pad with gentle grace, in the quiet night they find their place, a purring engine soft and sweet, in their world secrets they keep. With fur as dark as midnight's shroud, they stalk through twilight never loud, a creature both wild and tender. In the heart of a cat